In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom banners and buttons for Google Sites. Designing your Google site to reflect your style and convey your message effectively can truly make a difference in your site's appearance and user engagement. Let's dive right in and explore how you can personalize your site with a few steps. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Google site. Once you're on your site, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the settings icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu that gives you various options to customize and manage your site. From this menu, select the option labeled Announcement Banner. This feature will allow you to create a banner that stands out at the top of your web page, perfect for highlighting important announcements or updates for your visitors to see immediately. After selecting the announcement banner, you'll want to click on Show Banner. This action reveals the banner on your page if it isn't already visible. It's a simple yet crucial step because without making the banner visible, any changes you make won't display to your site's viewers. It's like crafting a billboard and ensuring it's out in the public eye rather than hidden. Now let's move on to adding some color and personalization to your banner. Click on the banner color option that appears. You can select a color that complements your site's theme. This is a chance to get creative and pick a shade that enhances the visual appeal of your site. Remember, the color you choose can significantly impact how your message is perceived, so go for something that resonates with your brand or the vibe you wish to convey. With the color set, it's time to put a message on your banner. For this, simply click on the text box named Announcement to type your message. Your message might be a warm greeting, a recent update, or even a special offer. Keep it concise yet engaging to capture visitors' attention right away. Crafting the right message can encourage your site visitors to take action or explore more, so choose your words wisely. Next up, let's add a button to the banner. Buttons are fantastic for driving engagement as they prompt users to take a specific action. In the Type the Button label field, enter the text you would like to appear on the button. This could be something like learn more, sign up, or contact us depending on where you intend to direct your audience. The label should be clear and inviting, encouraging users to click through. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've customized your Google Sites banner and buttons, adding a personal touch that aligns with your goals. With a well-designed banner, you enhance communication and make your site more engaging for visitors. Be sure to test your link and finalize your design to ensure everything appears as you envisioned. Thank you for following along and happy customizing.